Hey, Dr. J, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make a sweet and delicious cornbread in our bread machine. It's so simple, it comes together so quickly. I think you're gonna love this recipe, so stick around. 1 cup of milk, just room temperature. I have 2 eggs that are just lightly beaten. It's kind of like a no-fuss recipe. I love it. 6 tablespoons of butter, just slightly melted, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm just putting in my wet ingredients first. And now we're gonna get going on everything else. So this is 1 cup of corn flour. It's underneath, you can't see it. 1 cup of cornmeal, and then 1 1/4 cups of bread flour. Gonna go right in on top. I've got 3/4 of a cup of sugar. I know, but I really like it sweet. I like the cornbread. This is the way I like it. We've got 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. That's gonna give it a little bit of a lift. And then we've got 3 teaspoons of kosher salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon, sorry, going in. All I'm gonna do now is just lock it into my machine. And basically I'm just giving it a twist, closing the lid. And then I'm gonna check my menu. You wanna put it on for either a quick bread or a cake setting. It depends on your brand of machine, but you want it to cook around 1 hour and 40 minutes. So I'm gonna go to the quick bread setting, which is number 6 on my machine here. I wanna make sure I've got it set for a 2-pound loaf, which I do. So it's 1 hour and 43 minutes. That should be perfect. Gonna hit start. We're gonna come back 1 hour and 43 minutes later. We're gonna have cornbread.
1 eternity later.
Okay, our bread is done. All right, oh, it looks amazing. I'm just gonna use this little metal tool. Helps me lift this little handle up. Get my mitt going here. All right, smells good, looks good. I'm just gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna turn it out and see what it looks like. Okay, just turned it out, let it rest for about 5 minutes. It's still really hot, but I just want to give it a taste for you. It smells delicious. I like our bread a little bit sweet. You can also make a cornbread savory. We'll do another recipe like that sometime too. Oh my gosh, look at that. I like the inside a little bit better than the outside, so. It is steaming hot. Okay, homemade sweet cornbread in your bread machine. So easy, set it and forget it. About 1 hour and 40 minutes later, I'm gonna go in and give it a taste for you. That is so good. That is so delicious. It's really buttery, it's so moist. It's sweet, just the way I like it. If you like these recipes, please share with friends. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And don't forget to click that bell so you're notified of our next video. Enjoy, love y'all.